Be honest, when was the last time you truly put yourself first? Not in a guilty, ooh, I snuck in 5 minutes of peace before someone needed me kind of way, but in a deep, intentional, I deserve this way. Now, if you're struggling to remember, you're not alone. Too many of us have spent years believing that loving ourselves is selfish, that everyone else should come first, and that our needs can always wait. But guess what? They can't, and they shouldn't. Because if you don't take care of you, who will? You know, self-love isn't indulgent, it's essential. And today I'm giving you 5 powerful real-life ways to start showing yourself the love you deserve. Ready? Let's get going. So let's start by clearing something up. Self-love is not some fluffy Instagram-worthy idea that's all about spa days and expensive candles. And it sure as hell isn't selfish. You know, self-love means showing up for yourself the way you show up for everybody else. It's about respecting your own needs, setting boundaries, speaking kindly to yourself, and choosing what's best for you, not just what makes others happy. Now, here's the real question. Why is this so damned hard for so many of us? Well, maybe you grew up believing that love has to be earned. Maybe you spent so long taking care of others that you don't even know what you need anymore. Or maybe you're afraid that if you stop giving, people will stop loving. Here's what I know for sure. You cannot pour from an empty cup. If you want a life that feels fulfilling, if you want to feel at peace in your own skin, then self-love isn't optional. It's the foundation. So first off, let's talk about how to actually do this, because self-love isn't an idea, it's something that you have to practice. So let's look at mindful moments and checking in with yourself. When was the last time you actually paused and asked yourself, what do I need right now? You know, we move through life so fast with work, responsibilities, caregiving, obligations. It's like we're on autopilot. But self-love starts when you slow down and you listen to yourself. So try asking this. I want you to close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths and ask yourself, what's weighing on me today? What's something I need but I've been ignoring? And how can I support myself in this moment? You know, just taking 1 minute to check in with yourself can change everything. Next, remember to nourish your body and love yourself from the inside out. You know that voice in your head that says, ugh, I should work out more, I should eat better. Well, let's reframe that. You see, your body isn't something to fix, it's something to care for. So why not feed it food that makes it feel good? Move it in ways that bring you joy, not punishment. You know, things like strength training, stretching, dancing, walking. You have to find ways that work for you, because here's the thing, your body hears everything your mind says, so speak kindly to it. And next, prioritize sleep. Give yourself permission to rest. When did getting enough sleep become a luxury instead of a basic human need? If you're dragging yourself through the day on caffeine and exhaustion, then that's not hustle, that's burnout. And no, you're not lazy for needing to rest, you're human. So here's your challenge. Protect your sleep like you would a child. Set a wind down routine. Turn off screens at least an hour before bed and give yourself permission to rest without guilt. You know, your mind, body and soul need this. So let's talk about connecting with the inner self. You know, self-love isn't just about what you do, it's about how you connect with yourself. You know, journaling is great because it makes your thoughts visible. Ever feel like your mind is so cluttered that you just can't think straight? That's why journaling is so powerful. It's not about writing a novel, it's about getting real with yourself. So try this. Ask yourself, what's one thing I'm proud of today? What's something I need to let go of? And what do I need more of in my life? Write it down and let it out. You know, clarity comes when you see your own thoughts. And why not find creative outlets to express yourself? There's a reason why kids are so free. They create without fear. When was the last time you did something just for fun? Like painting, cooking your favourite food, being in the garden and getting your hands all dirty in the earth, or listening to your favourite music. You have to do whatever lights you up because creativity is therapy for the soul. Why not try meditation or prayer? You know, some way that you can find stillness. You know, even 5 minutes of stillness can change your entire energy, whether it's meditation, prayer, or just simply sitting in silence. Create a space to just be. Now, I'm big on setting boundaries and saying no, because this is a big one for many of us. If you want to love yourself, you need to protect yourself. And that means saying no without guilt, walking away from toxic relationships, recognizing that you're not responsible for other people's happiness. So ask yourself, where am I giving too much? And then adjust, because loving yourself means valuing your own time and energy. So let's end with this. When was the last time you actually celebrated yourself? Not for a big milestone, not for anyone else, just for being you. Self-love means recognizing your own strength, acknowledging your growth, even the tiny steps, and being proud of the person you are becoming, because you're doing the work and you deserve to be celebrated. You know, this is just the beginning. So if today's message hit home, have a watch of my last video, because healing and self-love, well, they go hand in hand. And if you want even deeper conversations on grief, healing and personal growth, then listen to my weekly podcast, Give Grief a Chance, and I'll leave everything in the description. You know, you deserve love from others, sure, but most importantly, from yourself. So thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.